Guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Good to see everybody, good to see everybody. Hey, happy hot summer to everybody because it's sure been a hot one. We're going to get ready to work on this trailer. And we got to make sure that this trailer is safe to use, safe on the road. Make sure that it has safety chains, brake lights, tail lights, and what have you. What we're going to do is we're going to have a trailer. It's an old beat up trailer, but I'm gonna try to bring it back to life. And I think we're gonna end up trying to sell it so we can kind of upgrade and get a better one than that. But at the same time, I still have my old trailer, so I'm gonna try to trade this other trailer, try to trade it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna upgrade it. We're gonna get some new halo tail lights for the trailer. We already have them. Hold on, let me let you guys see exactly what we're gonna do today. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you leave a comment. Matter of fact, as far as the comment goes, hey, wherever you are watching me from, please let me know exactly how hot it has been in your area. Let me know how hot it's been in your area. I am dying to know, because we had, unfortunately guys, we had 102 today. When I looked at it, it was 102. So it's been real hot. But I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see what we're working with. And I'm gonna explain to you exactly what we're gonna end up doing with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. So guys, this is the trailer. Hold on, you get a picture of it. So guys, this is actually the trailer that I will be fixing up. We're gonna give it a new coat of paint, because right now, as you can see, it has a lot of chipping. Look like it had some white paint before it was black. So we're gonna end up taking off the fenders. We're gonna take the fenders off, and later on what we're gonna end up doing with the fenders, guys, is we're gonna end up just, once we take the fenders off, we're gonna try to shorten the fenders up. So once we shorten the fenders up, I'm gonna put the fenders back on, but I'm gonna actually shorten them up a tad. So once we shorten those fenders up, we'll be able to have clearance. If you look, we'll be able to have clearance right here so my mower can go straight over. So I want to bring this down, but we're going to save that for another video, guys. We're not going to do any cutting in this video. What we're going to do is we're just going to take these fenders off. We're going to take this fender off. We're going to take this fender off, and we're going to do a little sanding also, guys. So I already have my sandpaper for my orbital, and that is 40 grit. I believe it's 40 grit. Yeah, 40. So we're gonna slap a new coat of paint on here to bring it back up to spec, and I also bring the safety back up, because as you can see, guys, if you take a look at the front, guys, we don't have no safety chain. The coupler is good, everything is good as far as the coupler. The jack actually works also. This right here, why it's tied down like that, that's gonna be for another video. We're not even gonna talk about it in this video, because that's a long story, but that's for another video. But we're gonna make sure we get the safety chain on there, guys. We're gonna get that, and then we're gonna run some, we're also gonna run some lights. So we have our spots. We do have our spots for the lights right here on both sides. This one I wanted to try to fix it, but since we're gonna do a quick flip, I'm probably just gonna end up trying to, I might put a washer in there so it'll stand up. Because right now It's got a little lean to it, so I want that guy to stand up a little bit better. So this is basically, if you see it, you know, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys to the side and I'm gonna let you guys see me taking off the fenders. I'm gonna take off the fenders first. Well, actually, we're not gonna take the fenders off first. We're gonna put that safety chain on first. Safety chain goes on first because that's your safety aspect. So we need to deal with safety first, and then we'll deal with cosmetic. But the good thing about it, guys, we're going to do it in this video. This trailer, we want this lawnmower to fit this trailer. This lawnmower fit this trailer. Lawnmower, trailer. Lawnmower, trailer. So now to show you guys why the deck is not on there is because if you see one of my last videos, you see that I did have a problem getting my lawnmower back to Memphis from an hour-and-a-half drive. And this is why. If you take a look at this, it is this. This is the reason. And for you smart guys out there, the reason why I couldn't put this on the trailer is because of these extra inches. And it's really not this, guys, because I can pull this up, but this is why. Yeah, because it's 62 inches. So okay, guys, so let me get some stuff together and I'll be right back so we can go ahead and start on this. Okay, guys, I know I promised y'all a video today. I know I promised y'all a video. I'm so sorry, but it is, when I say it is so windy right now, you guys can see. It is so freaking windy right now. Oh man, and there's the thunder right there, guys. There is the thunder. And let y'all look up at the sky. Yeah, you guys can hear the thunder and everything. So I want to try to do as much as I can do, guys, but it looked like I really might need to go in the house. I might just need to go in the house, guys. I'm so sorry, because I did want to go ahead and do this video, but I don't think that the weather's gonna allow me to. But the good thing about it, guys, all our nice plants are gonna get enough good water, you know. So everything is gonna get some water. Banana trees gonna get some water. My calicacia plants, they're gonna get some more water. All of my babies right here, they're gonna get some more water. Everybody's gonna get some more water. That leaf just hit me in the face. My baby just hit me in the face. Oh my goodness. So, ooh, bless you. Bless me, not you. But yeah, plants in here. Like everybody's gonna try to get a little drink of water. So I'm just kind of going around showing you guys my babies before it stormed. Yeah, and I was gonna do, guys, I actually was gonna do another video today about how to prune these banana plants, but can't do that either because they need pruning badly. So, oh my God, what the heck was that? Yeah, so also these right here. So everything's gonna get some good water. Yeah, so stand him up right there. He needs to stand up right here. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap it up for this video because it is about to storm or something. I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna do, but it looks very ominous, and you guys can hear the thunder. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I thought we were gonna be able to make this trailer safe again for the road, but yeah, we're gonna wrap this one up. And I promise you guys, I'm gonna try to, I might not be able to do it tomorrow either, guys, because the forecast actually says that it's supposed to be raining through the weekend, the holiday. I'm gonna try my best to make time for you guys. So please, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment somewhere around here. Yeah, make sure you comment and let me know where you're from and what the temperatures have been there, because it's been crucially hot, guys. Let's go wrap it up for me, guys. So this is Joe of All Trades, and once again, we are out.